Hi, my name is Olga. I'm Ukrainian designer, pattern writer, and mom of two kids. My shop, The Posh Crochet, was established in 2015 for custom orders, crochet, lace, wearable. But later, after giving workshops in New York, Belgium, and United Kingdom, I was advised to implement my designs into digital detailed written pattern to share my talent with those customers who wants to create their own beautiful projects based on my design true to their sizes uh, and uh, with preferable colors. So since then, I make only Irish crochet custom orders as physical and sell only a digital PDF detailed written pattern. By the way, as for now, I'm working on a replica of my famous Irish crochet top Flora, um, which was published in a fashion magazine as my first design. Here it is. So some motifs are already done. Major flowers, outstanding crochet flowers, and also branch motif and some other. In total, I have 19 designs published in 6 magazines. So let's take a look at another one. Dresses on the models, tops in Irish crochet technique, top violet and top rose are also very beautiful. Here they are. And let's take a look behind the scene. Pattern writing consists of crocheting and testing item by myself, making video tutorial, arranging a written description with photos in progress, diagrams, and schematics. Testing by the team of experienced crafters. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can follow me via Instagram, The Posh Crochet, and YouTube for tutorials. And thank you so much for watching and welcome to my shop for digital PDF patterns or customs orders for Irish crochet design.